Welcome back to the Crypto Clown World channel once again. I am your host with the honks, Jason Bruce. And on this Monday morning, December 4th, 2023, I'm going to get honking on into XRP before I jump all the way into this price action here. Just a quick disclaimer. Nothing that I'm saying or doing here should be taken as financial advice. Please do your own research and due diligence before jumping into any coin project, investment, or trade. And with that in mind, taking a look at the 1 day candles for XRP, and we're just setting up a beautiful chart right now. I was thinking to myself when I was looking at another chart the other day that XRP hadn't set up an Adam and Eve double bottom, but it actually did. It's very obvious here. You can see the Adam, and here's the Eve. Okay. And then you also have this nice hidden bullish divergence here where you're swinging down on the price action here, much higher on the RSI than you are here in this area where you're swinging lower on the RSI, much higher in price action. So what that's showing us right now is a nice bullish consolidation with the RSI above 50 level. Stochastics just moving into a position of strength on the daily. And we did see this wick down this morning when Bitcoin had a little bit of a sneeze, and the altcoins lost a little bit of their valuation over a short period of time to Bitcoin. I do believe that they are going to bounce back very hard. And based on this pattern, the targets will be pretty aggressive. So when we look at where this price action reached originally after the quick squeeze up when the kind of news came out about XRP winning the SEC case, which they didn't actually technically win yet. We did get that spike and then consolidation down, which was fairly predictable, unfortunately. Created this Adam and Eve double bottom, and it came back up to our golden pocket area wick just above that, and have been consolidating in this nice manner since then above the 200 daily and 200 weekly moving averages, and those are just above this point of control here where you've got most of this volume within this accumulation. So we've seen most of the market moving bullishly out of these patterns, and the initial targets would be here around, like, say 85, 92, 97 cents. The real resistance is around $1, and after $1, I believe the price would quickly shoot up to $1.27, $1.34, and potentially $1.51 for XRP just in the short term. With that in mind, we could see much higher valuations. I have speculated on that. And even with just an incomplete chart, I have been able to pull some moves in the areas of around $6.79, $11, and $20. Okay, now this is an incomplete chart because this is just the US dollar tether chart versus the XRP pair on Binance. So when this tether chart was created, it was much later in the history of XRP, and there has been some manipulation of the price, since then. What I want to show you is the XRP market cap chart, and this has the full history of XRP's market cap, so it does give us a fractal, and you can see here with this nice fractal pattern, if this happens to play out again, it's going to give us much, much higher valuations in terms of the market cap. And if XRP goes to a 1 trillion market cap, you're talking probably $20 or $30 XRP, somewhere in that area. If it goes to 4 trillion, I believe it would be over $100, perhaps even somewhere in the $300 area. So take that back. I think that $300 valuation may be around this 62 trillion. But the thing is, it's like people say, oh, XRP's market cap can't hit 62 trillion. Well, this chart, just a basic measured move, says that it can. There's nothing saying that it has to play out like that. Somehow I got an even higher target than that. Oh, I see how I got it. Okay. So I was all the way back here. And this could take time to play out too. You know, this could take a very long time to play out. Um, you know, even into like 2027, which technically 2027 is probably going to be a bear market year, but we'll see how it plays out for XRP, because XRP kind of, I believe, is moving on its own cycle, potentially even an 8-year cycle versus Bitcoin's 4-year cycle. So we'll just keep an eye on these price targets, and we can swing over to a chart that should give us a little more price history here. Bitstamp can give you a little more price history. And there's your valuations that would correspond with that market cap that I was talking about. So 1 million market cap, you're probably around $27 XRP. 4 million market cap, you're probably around $100. And then you talk about your market cap, you know, being much more extended, potentially around a $400 XRP. I think I've had measurements around $300 XRP as well. So certainly think it's possible. Do I think it's plausible or probable, I should say? I'm thinking this is the more probabilistic area for this year, or I shouldn't say this year, but this particular bull market's target, probably around that $27. So we'll take a look at that for XRP. Nothing saying that it couldn't go higher. If we see some sort of FOMO in the banker coin space, some of the other ISO coins look to be consolidating. They do move a little slower than the other coins, tend to be the ones that break out last in these rallies that we are seeing in the space right now. So if you're an XRP fan, it looks to me like XRP is ready to explode. To be honest, it's just going to take a little bit of time. The consolidation is looking good, but it is a large asset with a large market cap, and it does need some things to facilitate it within the market in order to get it to move. So I think the idea being, you're seeing a little bit of a fractal here with a cup and handle. So you got a cup, handle, a little bit of a cup, handle within the handle of that larger cup. So you could quickly see a move up here to this level. Like I was saying, around $1 or $1.10, there's a high volume node right in that area. So if you can break out of about 83 cents, I think you can volume gap up to about $1.09, and that could get us out of the larger pattern and get us up to some of those larger targets. Paul Democrito over at the Crypto Factor is looking at this resistance area here between $6 and $7 as being the ultimate target for XRP. I think we'll see much higher targets than that, at the very least in this $18 to $27 range, maybe $20 to $30 range, possibly much higher. I'd like to get a little side bet going with you, Paul, if you want, like you did with Gareth Holloway, man. But, you know, no worries. Just a friendly bet. And, you know, just an idea, just to have a little fun, a little more fun in this crypto space, right? So, if you stuck around to the end of this video, please make sure that you're hitting the like button on the way out. If you're not subscribed to my channel, make sure that you are. Hit the bell for notifications as well, because it's important we bring you these videos in a time-sensitive manner in the future. And I am Jason Bruce. This is Crypto Clown World. And make sure you have yourselves a fantastic day wherever you are, whenever you are, folks. God bless you. We'll talk to you soon. Take care.